What's up, everybody? Plates and patches, early bird, break 38.89. We are full. And dice roll 5 times. Your squad's first. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The Raiders up top, Commanders at the bottom. Again, 5 there. And 5 right here. Now 5 times on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Cliff up top, Charlie at the bottom. Sort them alphabetically. They did all sort. Print, let's rip. Good luck. Yeah, they're going to be big. It's their first rookies. They're going to be good. Again, plates and patches, guys. Just a one boxer. Again, a pretty quick break here, guys. Just a one boxer. Mosaic Hobby will go next. Commanders didn't copy. Let me fix it. Let me fix it. Nothing has changed, guys. Just a team. What the heck? I'm grabbing it. There we go. Let me change that on this paper. Thanks for catching that, guys. Again, there we are. Good luck. Yeah, I thought we had an extra name or something. I was just making sure. Good luck, guys. Thank you, though. Thank you, guys. Thank you, James. Yep, thanks, guys. Again, Philly, Jalen Hurts on the base. You guys keep me in line. Keep me in line. Keep me on my toes. Okay, I'll check for you, Joe. Jake Haener, double coverage, 22 out of 50. On the Jake Haener, Saints, and Allen Webster. Tyjae Spears, 20 out of 75 for the Titans on the ink. Treylon Burks, 2 out of 25 again for the Titans, and Chris McDonald. Couple nice hits there for you, Chris. Couple hits there for you, brother. Last card of the break, 4 out of 25. Nothing changed on the names, Jory. It's just the Commanders weren't at the bottom. Zay Flowers. Yeah, your names are. Everybody had the same team, except for the bottom name had Washington. So nobody's team changed. Again, guys, that's the break. Recap, Zay Flowers, Steel Signatures, 4 out of 25. 25, Treylon. Tyja to 75, Hayner. And Jalen Hurts. That is the break, guys. Thanks for the fill. Again, plates and patches. Now the Charlie Hansen was at the bottom. Nothing changed. Charlie Hansen was at the bottom. He just didn't have Washington to the left of him. Teams did not change at all. Like right here, Washington was not right here. And it was Charlie Hansen had him. It just didn't. Like, it didn't copy. It didn't copy and paste Washington. For some reason. Teams did change. They shouldn't have. Weird. Huh. That's weird. Yeah, it's weird if they did. Yeah, I didn't think they changed either, but I don't know. The randomizer and nothing changed on the randomizer, but there wasn't nothing big pulled if it did. Yeah, because there's my names on the randomizer. Like, those wouldn't change. Yeah, all I did was deleted the names and then I repasted them copy just to make sure it was not, like, messed up. Alan Webster's taking the Bengals. Again, guys, I'm just checking orders. Good Mosaic Hobby is full, guys. I'm checking these orders, and then we'll get the next break running. Nate Smith's jumping into 38.82. $38.82 is on the move. Maybe full. $37.90. Tony Jackson, 3882. What's up, Tony? $38.93, guys. Jump into those. Mike Kennedy, $37.90. Again, guys, grab your spots on the site. Mosaic Birds going next. Just lining it up right now. All right, Davey, I'll take a look at it, brother.